Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove credit card on iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to remove your credit card on iPhone, then here's how to do it. Open up settings on your iPhone and from the settings menu, tap on your name at the top. Select Media and Purchases option. Tap on View Accounts and now tap on Manage Payments. And after you do that, you'll be able to see all of your payment methods on the screen. Select any payment method you'd like to remove. On the next page, tap on the Remove button right next to your credit card and tap Done at the top right. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to remove credit card from your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.